Thank you sa pa-ads. Thank you everyone. AC ano ba to? Are you a main channel? AC? Main ka ba? I'm so sorry ha, pero parang na-recognize kita. Kaya lang siyempre sa dinami-dami ng friends, hindi na maano, hindi ko na ma-isa-isa. Hindi ko na ma-recognize. Can you reply or is the chat? Okay. Live chat. Yeah, yan. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Mandy, AC, Eduardo Nicolas, thank you for joining. Thank you guys for joining. Ano to, mga mga camera ko to, mga kagamitan ko for vlogging and my photography. So, ayan. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Thank you sa pa-ads. Dating dikit po host, good afternoon, okay? Elisa, thank you for joining. Nasaan na ba yun? Ayan. Okay. So, bigyan kita ng moderator. Ayan. Okay. Thank you, Elisa. Thank you for joining. Thank you sa inyong lahat. Elisa, thank you for joining. Sino pa to? Ba't nawawala tong ano ko? Nawawala ang aking mga... Si ECTV, thank you for joining. Bigyan kita ng moderator. Parang nagtampo yata ito. Yeah, your gun. Yeah, don't be gun, guys. Ayan, Elisa, mayroon ka ng ano, may jacket ka na. Ano lang, ano lang. It's Saturday in the afternoon here. It's night time, I mean, Saturday night. Huwag kang mawala. Lalin Chu, thank you for joining. Mandy, John, Elisa Clays, thank you. Thank you to all of you guys for joining my live today. Hindi naman ako magtatagal. Just because you try harder and spend 3 hours trying to make it work doesn't mean it's going to work. So there comes a point where you got to just call in, reinvent the wheel. And so we kind of did here. Hindi naman ako magtatagal. Ano ko lang tong boredom ko. Thank you sa inyong lahat. 2 million people. Thank you. Asa na ba? Thank you for joining. Eduardo Nicolas, thank you for joining. Parang nag-ano lang kayo dito. Salamat sa inyong lahat. Nasaan na kayo? I'm still here, guys. What do you mean by this one?